everyone, this is Nika, and today we are going to help you mix your favorite cocktails one episode at a time with Lotus Gin Room. What is more exciting than making your own cocktails at home? Let me introduce you to the Lotus Gin Room's cocktail project. Coffee culture has been such a big trend worldwide, even for millennials these days. There's a wide selection of coffee in every part of the world. Some may say coffee is life, and of course, Lotus Gin Room won't get left behind. That's why for this episode with Lotus Gin Room, we're gonna talk about coffee cocktails. With that, let me introduce you to MK.
Hi, I'm Mk, and I'm your man behind the bar.
So now we are here at the Lotus Gin Room bar, and we're gonna make two coffee cocktails. We're gonna make an Irish whiskey and a coffee brew martini. So first, we're gonna start with the Irish whiskey.
Okay. So for Irish whiskey, just to share lang, it started in 1942.
Okay.
Invented by Chef Joe Sheridan in Ireland. So, ginawa niya tong drink na to para magkaroon ng warm and mabuhay yung body niya, or to awake his body when it's winter time.
So basically, it's a coffee concoction with alcohol.
Yes.
Perfect.
So let's start.
Let's start.
So let's start with a Jameson.
Jameson whiskey, but if we don't have Jameson, we can use whatever we have at home, right?
Yes. So Jameson, 30 ml.
30 ml.
There you go. Nice one.
Yes.
Next, is our cold brew from Common Folk.
So we have our cold brew from Common Folk.
So, 30 ml.
30 ml.
So, yung cold brew nila is just having a nice balance of bitter, sweet, and has a body of fruity and more on refreshing drink talaga siya.
So the preferred kind of coffee is supposed to be cold brew.
Yes.
Perfect.
Last,
Right? And
next
then
is your Monan syrup.
Monan syrup. And if we don't have Monan syrup, Irish syrup, what can we use as
So,
alternatives?
you can use also yung simple syrup kasi yun yung pinaka-classic nito. Simple syrup. So, makikita mo siya dun sa ibang episode natin.
Yes.
Then, you can also use apple pie or other sweetener na pwede mong gamitin.
Okay.
Okay. So, let's put some 20 ml.
20 ml.
Yes. So, it will
You
give
add more if you want it to be
more sweeter. Yes, pwede naman. So, it will give a nice cinnamon toffee flavor.
Sounds good.
Yes. And last, is the hot water.
We're gonna get a hot water.
There you go. Just to fill up. There we go.
There you go.
More. Nice.
Perfect.
Then, just stir it.
Kuya MK, is it important to put hot water instead of cold?
Yes. Actually, pwede mo lang pwedeng cold. Pero, on this time kasi, it's for winter style. So, it's cold.
It's cold brew.
Next, sour cream. So, we will do some layering for this one.
Alright. Do you want
So,
to do it, Kuya MK?
Yes,
Okay.
I'll go.
No worries.
Okay.
So guys, if you're interested to buy cold brew from Common Folk, I do recommend you dropping by White Plains in Quezon City. They have in-house coffee blends. So yeah.
There you go.
Wow, it looks like whipped cream, right?
Yeah, it's almost like a whipped cream.
So it's gonna give that really creamy flavor to the cocktail.
Yes. So it also balances the flavor of bitter, sweet, and acidity
Yes.
of the coffee, as well as the sweetness of the Monan syrup
So it
Irish
actually
coffee. There
kind
you go.
of serves as a whipped cream.
Yes.
There.
There you go. And lastly,
So
garnish it with
star anise.
star anise.
However, there's some people who don't like star anise. They can use something else.
Yes. So you can use also cinnamon stick cinnamon bark or any cloves, spices na available or kung ano yung taste preference mo pa rin.
Alright.
Okay?
Perfect.
So, there you go. There's your Irish coffee.
So for our next drink, we're gonna make a cold brew martini.
Yes. So, cold brew martini is a twist na espresso martini. Espresso martini using
Espresso shot.
shot,
Yes.
syrup, and vodka. So,
Okay.
but today we are going to use the
Cold brew.
cold brew from
From-
Common Comfort, Jameson, and almond liqueur, and some syrup.
Alright, let's
Okay?
start.
Let's start. Start with Jameson,
Jameson,
30 ml.
30 ml.
There you go. Next, our cold brew from Common Folk.
So we have our cold brew from Common Folk.
Yes, so 30 ml also.
Perfect, there you go.
So yung flavor ng cold brew from Common Folk, nagko-complement siya sa flavor ng Jameson.
Okay.
Yes. Next,
But even if it's not Jameson, it's a normal whiskey, can you
Yes.
use it with the cold brew?
yes, pwede naman. So it's your taste preference pa rin. So kung gusto mong gawing bourbon or malt or blended whiskey, pwede naman.
Perfect,
Yes.
okay.
Next is our Frangelico.
Angelico, if you don't have Angelico, what can you use?
So you can use any brand ng almond liqueur.
Okay.
Next,
How much
15
for this?
ml.
15 ml.
And last will be our syrup.
Our syrup.
So we are using a apple pie syrup.
Apple pie syrup, but if you don't have apple pie syrup, you can use a sugar syrup,
Yes,
right?
yes, the sugar syrup, any honey or any sweetener na pwede mong gamitin.
Okay.
Next is 15 ml.
15 ml.
There you go. And then, let's put some ice.
How much ice should we put for this cocktail?
Actually, kailangan puno yung yung shaker mo.
Shaker.
Kasi kailangan natin magkaroon ng dito na magandang froth on the top ng
Okay.
start.
Now let's
Shake.
shake.
Good.
So we take
There you
our
go.
strainer
Then strain.
and then we
To
pour
our
in our martini glass.
So, yan, nakikita mo. Nagkakaroon siya ng
Wow.
nice froth.
It does create a nice froth
Yes.
on top.
Actually, pag mas maganda pa yung shake mo, mas makapal pa yung froth. Actually, ang kailangan din natin dito sa froth na to is para may lagay natin on the top yung garnish natin. Now,
Okay.
for the garnish, let's
For
do
our garnish,
chocolate shavings.
chocolate shavings. But
On
they
the
can
top.
use any kind of chocolate that they have, right?
Oh, pwede naman. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng cocoa nibs or white chocolate. So, kung ano yung taste preference mo, there you go.
There you
I
go.
think that's good. And then, okay, there you go. Here's your cold brew martini.
And there you have it, you guys. Isn't it easy and fun to make coffee cocktails? Now let's try. I'm gonna try the cold brew martini.
I'll go with the Irish coffee. Stir it first.
Let's try.
There we go.
And let's cheers.
Cheers. Oh,
Kuya MK, what do you think of the drink?
so for my drink, balance lahat, flavor-wise. Actually, yung star anise, nagbigay siya ng earthy flavor na nagustuhan ko talaga. Pero,
Yes.
kung more on cinnamon stick or cinnamon bark yung gusto nyo ilagay, okay lang na walang
Okay.
problema.
Alright, and for me, it was really good. It had this chocolatey and nutty flavor. So that's good. Cocktails is all about mixing alcohol and other variety of ingredients together. I guess you can say that there's no limit in making cocktails. I mean, who would have thought that coffee and alcohol would go so good together? And with the cocktail project guiding you about it, we ensure you that making drinks will be fun and easy to learn. Again, this is Nika, your host.
And this is Mk, your band behind the bar.
To follow us on our cocktail mixing journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our YouTube and social media accounts. Click the bell button to be notified on our next episode. If you're in the metro, I do recommend you dropping by Lotus Gin Room's bar here in Capitolio, Pasig. See you guys in the next episode, and this is The Cocktail Project. If you guys are interested in buying any of these products, I do recommend you dropping by Philippine Bar Pro, which they're having a promo right now until May 2021. If you do purchase any of these products worth 5,000 pesos, you do get a 500 peso voucher.